Year-end surprise recipe from Madhurima's kitchen. Just don't skip it.
Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So wish you all happy new year 2026 in advance. So this is going to be my last recipe of 2025 and that is the surprise is Boroli Macher Chochori. This is the fish you cannot get in Kolkata because this is the specialty of North Bengal, and this year when I was coming back from Darjeeling from NGP Kalpana Hotel, I got Boroli Mach. I was thinking that I will prepare something with Boroli Mach, that's why I took the Boroli fish fry, and I was coming through 2AC. Even if it's not 2AC, then also it is okay for me to carry this fish, and I want to give surprise. So once I came back, I prepared the recipe, but I'm uploading it for the last recipe of the year, and that is a surprise. Madhurima's Kitchen always create history and the surprises. In the new year, there will be definitely so many surprises. So stay tuned and enjoy this Boroli Mache Chochori. The recipe definitely. If you ever get that Boroli Mach, just come with the fish and prepare this recipe. Meals and memories are made here, of course, in Madhurima's Kitchen. So right now I have this Boroli fish that is fried. As I said, I got it from NGP, so I just have this fried one. They marinated with salt and turmeric and fried it just in mustard oil. So what is the ingredient I have? This is the onion, ginger, garlic paste I have. This is sliced onion, and this is sliced potato, because I'm going to make a chochori, so this will be better. If you want to avoid the potato, definitely you can, but the taste will be different. And this is sliced tomato, and it should be a little bit jhal jhal. So kacha lanka. It's green chili, chopped, fresh coriander, that is optional. I'll just sprinkle it, and I have this kalo jeera or kalonji for tempering, and of course the dry red chili, Kashmiri mirch powder, and this is sugar. I was going to say salt. This is salt and turmeric. So that's it, and I'm going to prepare. Why it's empty? Because I had mustard oil, and I just heat the mustard oil. So we'll start with the recipe very soon. First heat the mustard oil, and I'm adding this dried red chili and kalonji. Next, I will add this sliced onion. And now I will add this potato because it will take time to prepare. So that's why I need to add the potato. And this point of time, I will add this turmeric and salt. So it will soften it, and it will cook very fast. And now I will add this garlic, onion and ginger paste in here, and of course the tomatoes. Let's cook it properly, and just start it properly, and then I will add some water. Guess what? Why this is the last recipe of this year? Because I came back in November, and after that I did this cooking, so I decided that will be that year-end surprise. So that's why I'm uploading this video end of this year basically. So the new year will be something else, and Mashe Bhate Bangali, that's why. And now I will add some water so that the potato will be cooked properly. It will be softened, and I will cover it up. Now it's time to check. Yes. Oh, the aroma is really good. Yes, the potato is done, which I have problem with that. Is it done or not? So sprinkle with some green chili and this red chili, and obviously, oh, my mouth is watering. So this is it. Sugar is there. I'm almost done. And now the star of this year, Boroli fish. So I will give it a good mix. Not much, just a good mix, and I will switch off this gas, and I will keep this in standing time for 5 to 10 minutes. Ta-da! Boroli Mache Chochori is done. So the memory are made here. Yes, the memory already made here. That is the Boroli Mach. That is in Kolkata and in Madhurima's Kitchen. Why I prepared this? The reason is that my father loves Boroli fish. So this year I have decided to give him surprise. But the surprise is that he paid for this Boroli fish. So I will finish it off with little bit of coriander, and one more thing. Jhal and chochori without কাঁচা সর্ষের তেল. the raw mustard oil cannot be completed. So it's done. I'm just going to wish you Happy New Year in advance 2026. My 2025 was so good. So let me go closure. It is the closure look of this Boroli fish. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. To show me love in the coming year also, and I promise to everybody there will be lots of surprises. Yes, you don't know what other surprises are there. So Madhurima's Kitchen is not only about only food, and yes, don't forget about Maddie Tea. This year I have got lots of candle order, so there are more candles are coming on the way. I'm really very happy. I think you are also to try this recipe at home. If you're going to NGP, just try this Boroli fish. You can take the fried fish. You can come back and you can try this recipe. What is the substitute? Actually, there is no substitute of Boroli fish, but yes, you can try it with gang morola, but the taste will be same. Thank you so much for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Stay with me in the new year also. Ta!